In a world filled with curiosity and exploration, one nation is set to make history once again. India is on the moon. Chandrayaan-3, launched on July 14, made a successful landing on the moon's surface on August 23. Chandrayaan-3 has successfully landed on the moon and the whole world has congratulated India. However, this is only half of the story. The missions of Chandrayaan-3 will help us identify alien worlds, help us in establishing lunar colonies, and will assist NASA in future missions. All of this will take place over the next 14 days. After this news, in countries all over the world, the craze to explore the moon renewed. Missions are sent regularly by the USA and China to the moon. Israel tried to do a soft landing on the moon. Besides this, many lunar missions were planned by Japan, Europe, and Russia. But today, the world is watching India's Chandrayaan-3 mission. As significant as landing on the moon is, the crucial tasks to be undertaken on the lunar surface are even more paramount. What exactly do our scientists plan to achieve during these 14 days? For these 2 weeks, the Chandrayaan-3 mission will operate, making the most of a full lunar day. However, when the 14 days conclude, a frigid lunar night will descend. Temperatures will plummet drastically to a chilling -130 degrees Celsius. Surviving such extreme cold is an insurmountable challenge, compounded by the fact that the mission relies solely on solar power. Nonetheless, these 14 days hold immense significance due to the diverse payloads carried by Chandrayaan-3. Dividing the project into 3 segments: propulsion module, Vikram lander, and Pragyan rover. The propulsion module houses shape, or spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth. Remarkably, SHAPE's focus is on Earth, not the Moon. It aims to discern the attributes that make Earth habitable and sustain life. Moving on to the Vikram lander, named in honor of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program. Vikram carries 4 payloads, including ILSA or instrument for lunar seismic activity. This payload delves deeper, studying lunar quakes to explore the moon's core. Then there's Ramba, dedicated to radio anatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere. It's all about the moon's ionosphere, its unique challenges, and understanding this rarely studied domain. CHASTE, or Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, comes next. Why? Because future moon dwellings demand a grasp of extreme temperature variations. CHASTE heats a small area and observes its impact, a small step toward climate-controlled moon structures. Water, the elixir of life, holds significance even on the moon. Finally, we have the Pragyan rover, a solar-powered communicator with Vikram. 2 payloads empower Pragyan, APXS and LIBS. APXS, Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, is like a radioactive soil detective. It uncovers the elements within lunar soil, essential for future construction. LIBS, or Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectrometer, analyzes soil composition through light. These insights are pivotal for constructing lunar structures using locally available resources, essential for interplanetary living. This collective endeavor isn't just India's achievement, it's humanity's progress. In an interconnected world, this mission transcends borders, fostering global collaboration. Chandrayaan-3, a beacon of India's aspirations, a testament to unity, and the first step into a new era. Remember, they're not just reaching for the moon, they're reaching for the stars. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening content.